Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to tell you the answers of Model Question Paper 2 of First PUC according to reduced syllabus of Political Science. The answers of Model Question Paper 1 has already been uploaded, so you can watch that video for Model Question Paper 1. This is answer of Model Question Paper 2. So let's start. Answer of question number 1 is Aristotle is known as the father of political science. Next is Chanakya is the author of the book Arthashastra. Third one is right to work. Answer of question number 4 is Constitution of India is an example of written constitution. Answer of question number 5 is Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar is the father of Indian Constitution. You can take the screenshots of these answers and you can write these answers are 100% correct. So you don't need to worry about the answers. You can easily write these answers in answer sheet and you will get and fetch a very good marks. So now we will move up to question number 6. The answer of question number 6 is the maximum strength of Lok Sabha is 552 members. Next one is answer of question number 7. Sri Ramnath Kovind is the present president of India. Next is answer of question number 8. The governor is appointed by the president of India for a term of 5 years. Next one is 9 number. The judiciary is the system of courts that adjudicates legal disputes and interprets, defends and applies the law in legal cases. Next is answer of question number 10. Lok Adalat is one of the alternative dispute redressal mechanisms where disputes, cases pending in the court of law or at pre-litigation stage are settled or compromised amicably. Now these are the answers of question number 10. Now let's move on to part 2. Question number 11. The answer of question number 11 is political science is a science dealing with systems of governance and power and the analysis of political activities, political thoughts, political behavior and associated constitutions and laws. Next one is answer of question number 12. The first is Athens and the second is Corinth, Corinth. If you have any problem in reading the spellings of what written here, you can comment down below. I will tell you the correct spellings and will let you know about the spellings of the answers which you are not understanding. Now next is the answer of question number 13. The first one is internal sovereignty and the second is external sovereignty. Now answer of question number 14. A nation is a community of people formed on the basis of a common language, history, ethnicity, a common culture and in many cases a shared territory. Now we will move to answer of question number 15. So answer of question number 15 is first one is common law and the second is customary law. Next one is answer of question number 16. Equality is the state of being equal especially in the status, rights and opportunities. Next answer of question number 17. There are certain basic rules that the citizens and the government have to follow. All such rules together are called constitutions. This is the definition of constitution. Next one is question number 18. The first one is Canada and the second one is Great Britain. Now we will move on to next questions. Next one is question number 19. A preamble is an introductory and expressionary statement in a document that explains the document's purpose and underlying philosophy. And the next one is question number 20. The first one is be a citizen of India and the second is be at least 30 years old. So these are the answers of model question paper 2 of political science of part 1 and part 2. If you want more answers then you can comment down below. And if you like this video then don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. Further, if you want the answers of any other subject then you can also comment that. And do check the community post and vote there of which subject do you want the answers of. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.